The second game of the guided training is the graph game. In the graph game, you have to split the words up into syllables and then into letters. Splitting up a word makes it easier to read and write. Instead of trying to read or write it all at once, you can read or write only the shorter parts and then put them together to form the whole word. Furthermore, the splitting helps you to put the letters into the right order. To show the number of syllables and letters, you need to connect the points in the correct way. The highest point represents the word. The second line of points represents the syllables, and the third line of points represents the letters. In the example, you can see a word that consists of 3 syllables. Therefore, you must connect the highest point with 3 points of the second row. Then for each syllable point you selected in the second row, you need to connect it to a number of points in the third row, 1 point for every letter in the corresponding syllable. In order to connect 2 points together, click on the first point. When you click correctly on the second point, the connection is displayed. You can select any points for the syllables on the second row and any points for the letters on the third row. However, you cannot select more points than there are syllables and letters. To delete a connection between a syllable and a letter, click on the point in the letter row. Connections between the word point and the syllable points cannot be deleted. You get 1 point for each word that you construct without an error and without superfluous connections. At the end of the module, you will get $1 for each point.